Hi, this is Taylor Adams with Rentals in SF, and I'm the listing agent for this property. I've prepared a detailed video tour for you to take a look at that I think you'll find helpful. Before booking an appointment, please also remember to review the key terms on our website. Please consider to like and subscribe to the channel, as it really does help, and you'll see all new listings pop up here first. Without any further ado, let's get into it. Okay, here we are flying into the Hayes Valley neighborhood here in San Francisco. Excellent neighborhood, extremely convenient location, and you can get to the Civic Center, the Van Ness Muni Station, very walkable part of the city. Also a wonderful part for shopping, boutique shopping, wonderful restaurants, lots of food. In the future, there will be a Trader Joe's grocery store nearby. And look at this. Just named one of the coolest streets in the world. Okay, here is the exterior of the building. This is a condominium. It's a blue building right here, and right in the heart on Hayes Street, also near Patricia's Green, which is a space where people like to hang out, drink coffee, read, things like that. Okay, as you can see, FedEx, UPS do not have access to this lobby, which means that you'll need to be home to buzz them in. Now, it does appear that Amazon, if it comes through USPS, can get in this lobby area. Okay, there's a front and a back stairwell. Let's go ahead and go up. There is no elevator, just FYI. This is a third floor walk up. It is not the top floor, almost to the top, but not quite. Okay, 202 is right here. And when you walk in, you're greeted with beautiful hardwood floors, new fresh paint, real big, nice living room. This is front facing, thus face Hayes Street, so you can watch all the activity and people watching, things like that. Okay, dining room would go right about there, right in front of the kitchen, or you can put it anywhere in the living room, of course. Galley style kitchen right here. And we've got a brand new dishwasher, solid surface countertops, a single porcelain sink, and white cabinetry. There's a little bit of a light well right here, and you can see the fire escape from the distance. That's accessible through the bedroom. Gas range, microwave, stainless steel fridge. Okay, there is a thermostat right there. That's for heating. And this is the hallway that leads down to the bedroom and the bathroom. Let's take a look at the bath. Marble on the floors. A walk-in shower, no tub. There is a heat lamp, and then a large walk-in closet. There's also a large IKEA wardrobe, and it has adjustable shelving and different modifications you can do to the inside. I've opened up the doors for you to take a look, and let's swivel around and take a peek. Wonderful. different configurations of shelving, hanging bars, and drawers. And these are customizable. You can move them around really easily. Okay, now there is another closet right here. So this apartment does actually have a lot of closet space. This is a combination washer and dryer. Keep in mind, this is only good for very small loads. These combination units of washers and dryers in the single appliance can only accommodate very, very small loads. But there's additional washer dryer free down in the garage area that I'll show you at the end of this video. Or right now, let's take a look. This does include parking. Parking is a little tight, meaning that you'll need to make a sharp turn into the space. But also when you're backing out, there's a lot of people on the sidewalks generally, so just need to be mindful of that. But I've went ahead and there's the washer dryer right here. This is a free washer dryer, front loading. It's probably where you'll do the majority of your laundry. There's what the garage entrance looks like. Now keep in mind the space for 101 is right here, and then a very tight turn into the space 202 immediately on the right. You can see I pulled my hatchback into the garage. The height is pretty reasonable, but just keep in mind you need to be good at backing out. But it's great to have a parking space on the street. Unbelievable. There's also a little storage cabinet. Okay, there's also a shared roof deck. Nice views of Civic Center Van Ness area. Some lounge chairs. This is a new condo they built next door. Quite attractive. Anyway, tables and chairs. And this is the top floor, accessible through the stairwell. And just taking a look at the views. Pretty fantastic, right? Okay, well that concludes our tour. Thank you so much for watching. Please check out our website for all up-to-date information on this listing and many, many more. Please smash the like button, and I wish you all the success in your home search. Take care. Thanks. Bye-bye.